Are you a business owner who wants to create YouTube Shorts but you don't have the time? If so, I'm going to show you how I create YouTube Shorts using AI in 1 hour or less. First thing that you want to do or have is a long form piece of content. So you either want to create or download a long form piece of content that is anything over 2 minutes. Then you'll want to upload that long form piece of content in a tool that I use called Video.ai. Video.ai is one of many AI platforms that can take your long form content and generate multiple short form clips that you can post and use on social media. Once Video.ai has given you suggestions, it is important that you review the clips to ensure that it's something that makes sense, that it's a complete thought, and that you want to continue to put on your platforms. After you've reviewed the clips and determined which ones you want to use, you have one of two choices here. You can, one, stop right here and just export after you've chosen your templates and the captions and post as is, or you can take it to another level where I'll show you what else I do to make this content even better. If you're still with me, that means you want to know how you can continue to level up this content that AI has helped us generate. So what you'll want to do is in Video.ai, make sure you export the clips without captions. This gives you a clean video that we can continue to work with and manipulate. After we've downloaded our clean video without captions from Video.ai, I use a program called Descript, which is a wonderful program that we can continue to edit this content in. Once the video is inside of Descript, I'm able to take out filler words like ums and ahs, as well as any awkward pauses to tighten up the video and help it to flow better. I'm also able to add B-roll and GIFs that are related to the video from right inside of the platform. They also have a pretty awesome music library where I can add music from right inside of Descript. The reason I had us export from Video.ai without captions is because in Descript, we can add some custom captions. Too many times these days, these captions are all looking the same, which will help us pass over your content because it's no longer unique. But with Descript, you can customize it any way you like. After I've added those captions, I'm able to export and upload it to any platform that I like. So let's review what we've done so far. We took a long form piece of content, we added it to Video.ai. We reviewed the content, chosen the pieces that we actually like, exported it without captions, added them into Descript, took out filler words and gaps, added any videos or GIFs that we like along with music and custom captions. Now, I know I just shared a mouthful, but I promise you your extra efforts will go far for yourself and for your clients as it has for me. If you want to learn more about how you can take this same video and this same concept and turn it into even more things, graphics and quotes and carousels, check out this video over here where I'll show you that breakdown. Also, check out the links in the description where I give you the links to all of the platforms that I mentioned, as well as access to a free content repurposing training that I did.